Can one light replace your lantern, work light, or even emergency power bank? We're about to find out. Welcome to Grizzly Lumen Lab. Let's dominate the dark.
Dominate the dark.
All right, before we get started, I'd like to thank SAKER for sending this light over for review. As always, reviewing a product doesn't guarantee a positive review. If I find something I like, I'll tell you. And if I find something I don't, I'll tell you that too. My goal is to help you determine if this is worth your money. Now let's take a closer look. Today we're checking out the SAKER rechargeable work light with stand. On paper, this thing checks a lot of boxes. It's designed as a camping light, a portable work light, an emergency light, and it even has a built-in power bank. It features a telescoping tripod that extends over 6 feet tall, 3 adjustable LED light panels, a removable magnetic head, multiple lighting modes, and a hanging hook for even more mounting options. Those are some pretty big claims, so instead of reading off the spec sheet, we're going to put those features to the test and see how they perform. Let's get it open. All right, inside the box you'll find the telescope and stand, your user manual, your USB-C power cable, and the lighting head itself. So it's got 3 LED panels, all of them adjustable. You got your input power to charge this up. You got your USB cable out to charge your phone, whatever you need to charge. You got your brightness button, and you have your on-off button. Now, these 3 heads, they turn, and they can face pretty much whatever direction you want. If you want to use it as a work light, face it down, or if you want to face it towards any particular area, it can rotate. Now, I will say this, the clicking on it is really nice, but in all honesty, it feels kind of cheaply made. On the bottom, you have the hook here, and you also have the screw-in bottom on here that attaches to the tripod. You also have 3 magnets. They look kind of small, so I don't know if you could stick it to the side of something. Maybe we can hang it on something. We're definitely going to test that out. All right. You got your tripod here. It is made of plastic. The tripod itself is metal. If this thing gets up to 6 feet, thank God this head is actually really, really light. I have a feeling if it was any heavier, it might tip over, but again, we got to check it and see. Let's go ahead and get this thing put together and let's show it off. Assembly is quick and straightforward. The tripod unfolds easily and the attaching light head only takes a few seconds to screw on. Before we go any further, I do want to mention that the original review unit had a defective telescoping pole that failed during filming. I contacted SAKER's customer support and they quickly sent me a replacement, so everything you're seeing from this point forward is based on the replacement unit. The replacement functions as intended, so let's take a look at what it has to offer. The standout features are 3 adjustable LED panels. You can point them all in one direction for a more focused beam, or spread them apart to cover a larger area. The light also detaches from the tripod and includes a built-in magnetic base and hanging hook, giving you a couple different mounting options when the tripod isn't practical. It charges through USB-C and can also double as a power bank for charging your phone or other small devices in an emergency. Now let's see how it performs. The light output is good for campsites, outdoor projects, or working around the garage. My favorite feature is definitely the adjustable panels. Being able to direct the light where you need it makes it much more useful than a standard lantern with a fixed beam. I think SAKER had a great idea with this product. The adjustable panels, removable light, and multiple ways to make it more versatile than a typical camping lantern. That said, my experience with the original review unit does leave me with some concerns about quality control, even though SAKER quickly sent a replacement. Overall, the replacement performed as expected, but I still think the build quality could be improved. If portability and versatility are what you're after, this light has some useful features worth considering. If you'd like to learn more or check current pricing, I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and as always, together, we can dominate the dark.